Thinking about using the Speechling application to improve your spoken English? Curious if this application might be your shortcut to speaking English fluently? Stick with me as we explore every corner of the Speechling app, and I'll reveal just how effective it can be for your English speaking journey. Hi everyone, Emma here from Washington, D.C. As an English teacher, I've checked out so many English apps and programs for you. Today, we're jumping into the Speechling application. You've been asking, Emma, is the Speechling app worth it, and can it really help me with my spoken English, and is there a better alternative to Speechling? Stay tuned, because we're going to cover all that and more. Alright, let's dive in. After signing up, the first thing you see is a welcoming message, Meet your coach. It's intriguing, Speechling assigns you a coach who provides personalized feedback. I'm eager to see how this works in practice. So, the next step involves recording my voice for an introduction to my coach. Let's give this a try. Records voice, there, I've hit the Save for Coach button. Speaking of subscriptions, Speechling offers 3 plans, monthly, quarterly, and yearly, with the monthly option at $30. It's worth noting that none of the plans include a free trial, so there's no option to try before you commit. Let's delve deeper into the features and see what else Speechling has to offer. Now, let's explore how Speechling really works. The app offers several practice methods, including the listen and repeat exercise. Here's how it goes: you listen to a phrase, then record yourself repeating it, allowing for a side-by-side comparison. After recording, you have the choice to either re-record your attempt or send it directly to your coach for feedback. What's unique here is the self-evaluation aspect. You decide how challenging the phrase was for you, labeling it as hard, okay, or easy. This is where it gets interesting. If you found the phrase hard, you're prompted to repeat it within a minute. But if it was easy, you revisit it after 4 days. This approach is similar to a flashcard-style learning system, adapting to your comfort level with each phrase. Next up, let's check out something interesting. In the Skills tab, you'll find the Speechling Core curriculum. The lessons here are categorized by levels, making it easy to find what suits your proficiency. When you select a level, it takes you to its flashcards. For instance, the Intermediate 1 level includes 360 cards, and Advanced 1 includes 559 cards. Speechling also offers a variety of other practice options. In the Conversations section, you'll find 3 distinct types of exercises: Answer the question, Describe the image, and Freestyle mode. Each of these is designed to cater to different aspects of language practice. Another useful feature is the Speechling phrasebook. This section focuses on practical, everyday expressions, particularly handy for travel and daily communication. You'll find expressions tailored to various scenarios like hotels, restaurants, transportation, and money matters. Moving on to the Toolbox tab, we find a selection of additional features. This includes dictation practice, listening exercises, fill-in-the-blank activities, and more. These practices are quite basic, suits primarily to beginners. They're designed to help build a solid foundation in English for those just starting their language learning journey. Returning to our initial question, is the Speechling app worth it? Can it really take your English fluency to the next level? The answer is a mix of yes and no. Speechling is ideal for beginner learners who want to focus on learning English phrases and expressions through a listen and repeat practice and flashcard-style approach. However, it doesn't cover all aspects of language learning, such as advanced grammar, reading, listening, and interactive conversation skills. It lacks video lessons and interactive conversational practice. A critical aspect of fluency, such as feedback on pronunciation and intonation, is notably missing. The feedback from Speechling coaches, while helpful, tends to be basic and may not provide the in-depth insights needed for advanced language mastery. For non-native English speakers who regularly interact with native speakers and aim for clear, fluent English, the Speechling app might not be the most suitable solution. In such cases, you need tools focused on pronunciation improvement or accent reduction. That's where alternatives like Chatterbox come into play. Chatterfox offers video lessons, an AI-powered practice and feedback system, and personalized coaching by an accent expert. If you're curious about Chatterfox, I've got a detailed review video on it. Plus, there are plenty more reviews on my channel to help you pick the best English tools for your needs. Just click the link in the description to learn more.